Hello, and welcome to August 27th special report. TLRY moves above the 10 EMA. Let's go look at that chart. And there we are. It's seesawing. It's doing a seesaw. Closes above, closes below, closes above. Look, closed above barely, closed below, closed above barely. It's gone into a nice little it's a nice little seesaw. It shows signs of accumulation. We talked about this before, where the stock will rise up to a certain price level and then just hover. So what stops the price from going up? Buyers. There are no buyers coming in. But what is happening? Price is not dropping down below the lower lows. There are buyers coming in, but they're coming in quietly, slowly, and buying in the zone here, waiting for the opportunity to reveal their position, that they have lots of stock, and then everybody gets into a frenzy, and then we get back up. Our objective, and now notice down before I go into the objectives, down here stochastics, we have a nice dip, the stochastic dip. There, higher stochastics, lower, and look at this high. This high is higher than the previous high of the dip. So there's a good strong indication there. RSI is still in a nice sweet spot, so there's plenty of running room here. The histogram has gone from green, green, red, green, which means that it was going up, went down, and went back up again. And also you can see the MACD value line is joining into the course of the situation. Our objective, that's what it's going to get to, is we need to clear 1605. We clear 1605, then we can move to EPS with stop. This trade is a DTE trade, which means that we are anticipating going to December 16th. Its expiration is December 17th. You can see right here, TLRY, 17 December expiration. That's what XP is. The EXP definition here for those who are not familiar with Thinkorswim, and that means date to expiration. So this option will expire on the 17th of December. And wherever it expires, in the money or out of the money. In the money, it'll be profit. Out of the money, we no profit. And but the objective is that we're here. We have quickly review that our objectives is EPS, entry price stop, then clear 1960 to get, that's why these little markers are here to remind me to move the close to 1960, and then wait it out to December unless we have now that we have gone to experience of KR where it went 10x and we did not take that money off the table. Good holding. Now there's a thing in trading, it says, do you want to be right or do you want to be profitable? What we did here is we wanted to be right about DTE. We passed up the opportunity to collect $1,500. That's profit. So the idea is we're testing this out as does DTE trading, date to expiration, pay off? That's the important part here. And then, of course, if it does pay off, can we build a options cash flow ladder where every time these guys are getting the expiration or get to 10x, we take that money? That's another thing too. We sort of like gone through that pain. It was like, that's a lot of pain. And I am not a big fan of pain. So 10x, taking profit at 10x is really very strongly in my mind, because had we taken that profit off the table, that would have added back to the coffers, that would have given us $1,600 in buying power, and it was $1,600 at a $5,000 thereabouts allocation. That means that we could have gone 3 more trades into the field. So TLRY, again, it's sit on your hands and wait. That's all we can do, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. With that, I thank you very much for stopping by and checking it out.